Hi guys, in this vlog we're gonna enjoy the bird show. Ride the super fast trams. Look for the missing cheetah.
Cheetah karon unya. Day off siya. Or day off mga duha na oras din.
Meet the great white lion and see some live show. Join us as Super Tayan goes to the Cebu Safari. Right off the bat, the Cebu Safari experience is highly recommended. And I'm gonna say this as early as now that all of you must really check it out. For Super Tayan, it was our first experience. But to make your experience worthwhile, in this vlog, we will gonna share you tips and tricks to make the most out of your Cebu Safari. So if you're really considering to go to the Cebu Safari, you better watch this because this vlog is for you. Tip number 1, go early in the morning. Other than the fact that the Cebu Safari opens at 8 o'clock, everyone in Cebu knows that Mandaue and Consolacion and Liloan and all other towns in the north will be bound with traffic. So to avoid that, might as well go there as early as you can. Tip number 2, please be reminded that this place is a safari. It's not a zoo. So if you're going with a big group, let's say with your kids, with children, and even older adults, please consider the fact that you might not be able to see all the attractions and see all the animals unless you're going to go all the way and rush everything. But of course, that's not gonna make your experience worthwhile. And so with our group, we decided to just enjoy the day, take it slow, and to go wherever we can with no expectations. And I guess deciding that fact as early in the trip is gonna make your experience more memorable.
That is what we call the water buck. Water buck or waterproof, meaning when the predators wants to attack them, they will surely sink in the water and their body will automatically resist the fire. Yes, those are the water buck. That is the female food.
But before going to tip number 3, guys, please show some virtual hugs to Super Tayan by clicking like and subscribe to our vlog. Thanks! Tip number 3, for starters, get the 900 peso package. We guarantee that seeing the white lion is worth the 100 pesos extra. And also do note that they give discounts for senior citizen and also for fully vaccinated individuals. Tip number 4, be patient with riding the trams. The trams are key to the safari feels, to the safari experience. They are fun to ride and you're gonna enjoy the breeze and all that. However, for our older guests, please be extra careful, especially for the trams that are quite high. So it might be difficult for some older guests to step on them. And I said patient because there will be times where you will have to wait for your turn to ride a tram. Especially if it's like in the morning and guests are flocking in. So you have to be patient and wait. Plus, there are trams that have specific routes. So especially with the White Lion tram. So be extra mindful of that. Tip number 5, know the schedule of the events. So there are 2 main events that have specific schedules. One would be the bird show. And on our trip, we were able to go and see the 10:30 show.
Another one. Good bird. Oh, let's see what we'll do. Zipping up the plastic cup, walk all the way. What's the next one? Open the beak and drop it inside. Good boy. For the second one.
And then the second one that has the schedule is the White Lion trip. So we were able to get the 1:30 p.m. schedule. That's the time that they begin the afternoon schedule for visiting the White Lion. Tip number 6, be ready to volunteer for the bird show. Just always be game, raise your hand, and get to experience birds flocking to you. It's fun. Tip number 7, wear something comfortable. Wear breathable clothes.
Yung tanong dito babawan.
Mura ni ron.
because if there are plenty of rides, there will also be plenty of walks. On our end, after the bird show at the auditorium, there was a bar nearby, and that was for the MU. MU is not Murag Unggoy, but MU is those animals, those birds who look like an ostrich. It's just behind the auditorium, and then next to it are the donkeys, which are very adorable if you like Eeyore. And just a little further would be the monkeys. This time, your belongings are safe because these monkeys are on a separate island. So your snacks and earrings and all that and cell phones are safe. They're just really fun and cute creatures to watch. Tip number 8, there are plenty of restaurants there, but for us, the best place to have your lunch would be the outpost. Why the outpost? Because of 4 things. Number 1, because they have big meals. Number 2, because there's a giraffe chilling and strolling and having also his lunch of grass just beside the restaurant. And number 3, it has an overlooking view of the small ponds with ducks, and it's just a pleasing sight to be there. And finally, number 4, because there are cute meerkats. So if you like Timon and Pumbaa, the friends of Timon are there hanging around. Tip number 9, this is more like a commercial break. We want to congratulate, we want to say good job to Cebu Safari for offering these wide family comfort rooms. This is a plus for groups who are bringing kids with them. So we took the time to freshen up Tayan after all the heat and all the running and all the clapping. He gets to be refreshed, and the water is so cool.
Natural na water. Nature spring.
So once again, kudos to Cebu Safari for offering that spacious family comfort room. It's just perfect for a quick break, for a quick freshen up. And before we give our last and final tip, we were able to visit this place of the cheetah. However, to our surprise,
So nata sa cheetah karon niya
Day off siya.
o na day off mga duha na mi ka oras din nagdagan pa daw. So wala siya din.
Wala si Cheetah.
Wala si cheetah.
so let us know if you go there and you find the cheetah. So at least we get to know if he's okay. And of course, to our surprise, we also saw some action from the not so active members of the safari. And those were the turtles. They were having some action, some loving action there. Good job, turtles. Finally, tip number 10 is about the white lion. To get the best view, as you fall in line, go inside and ride the cage tram. Ask the guide where the lions are at. Will they be on the right side or on the left side? Luckily, we get to ask the guides that, and we were able to position ourselves to the side where it was so easy for us to see them. Unfortunately, I hate to break this to you guys, they are not fully white albino lions. The one like similar to Kimba, the white lion. They are fair and very light brown skin. If you want to ask more details, ask the guide. They are very fun and they're very helpful. And that's it. You know guys, it was only the tip of the iceberg. There's very plenty more to discover and to explore in Cebu Safari. Like I said in the beginning of the vlog, we decided to take our time, to enjoy our pace, and to really make the best of the experience. So we only got to see 60% of the safari. So we are pretty sure in the coming future we'll come up with a part 2 of this Cebu Safari vlog. And that's it. Thank you guys for joining us in this vlog with Super Tayan. Let us know if you've been to the safari. Tell us in the comments and share your memorable experiences. And we hope to see you in the next adventures of Super Tayan, ang Batang Laagan.
Smile, Jollibee.